So I've got my X1 seats off, and here's where the diagnostic port is. I have the ECMCables Bluetooth dongle for my race ECM. And as you can see, the key and the run switch are not in place yet, but we're about to get that going. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the, well, I'm going to plug the dongle into the diagnostic port. As you can see, it's well seated. Everything's good. Now I'm going to turn on my phone here, and this is a LG Tribute HD, which is an Android device, and I'm going to hit ECM Spy or ECM Droid to get it started. Now I'm going to proceed to put the key in. Key. Bear in mind that I've rewired my switch so that in the park position it's actually on. It's in neutral. My lights are on. I'm going to hit the run switch. The pump is running, and the Bluetooth indicator looks like it's communicating. And now I'm going to go to ECMdroid and press the connect button. And there's the paired device. And here's what comes up. And try it again. So I don't know what's going on. If somebody can help me out, I would really appreciate it.